Stop struggling with laggy edits. Build the ultimate $1,800 6K editing beast. First up, grab the heart of this monster, the i7 12700 CPU. Pair it with the RTX 3050 OC GPU for smooth graphics. And don't forget 32 GB of RAM, no more spinning wheels of doom. Once built, let's test this bad boy. Geekbench scores off the charts, After Effects benchmark lightning fast. Edit 6K BRAW footage with 0 dropped frames. Thanks to our 32 GB of RAM and the Beckwiat Dark Rock 4 cooler, it's smooth sailing. Add more RAM, a faster SSD, and a better GPU to keep your beast roaring. Check out those export times. 4K H264 and 6K BRAW are a breeze. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips. Happy editing!